How to plant avocado butter with easy for beginners to be fruitful fast. Avocado or avocados or avocado has a scientific name. Persea americana is one type of fruit that comes from Central America and Mexico. Avocados come from the family Lauraceae and the genus Persea. Avocado has a tree with a height can reach about 20 meters. The leaves have a length of about 12 to 25 centimeters. Fruit avocado type with seeds measuring 5 to 6.4 inches in it. The skin of the fruit is dark green to purple-brown, hanging varieties and uneven surface. The flesh is soft texture with a light yellow color on the part near the seed and is light green near the skin of the fruit. Scientific classification: avocados. Kingdom: Platy. Division: Magoliophyta. Class: Magoliosida. Order: Laurales. Family: Lauraceae. Genus: Persea. Species: Persea americana. Avocado has many benefits as can prevent the risk of stroke, can maintain eye health, can help treat heartburn, can help lower cholesterol levels in the body and many others. Avocado is a popular fruit in Indonesia. Of the many types of avocados present, the most sought-after type of avocado is butter. Avocado butter has a smooth skin surface without any cracks. The mature butter avocado will be brownish-green and tender when pressed. As the name suggests, butter avocado is famous for its creamy meat texture like butter. The flesh is also thick and not fibrous, so it is easy to be processed with other foods or eaten directly. Here's a complete guide how to plant avocado butter with easy for beginners to be fruitful fast. 1. Preparation of avocado butter seeds. Avocado tree seedlings can be obtained by 3 ways: graft or stem cuttings, through seeds, and grafting or grafting. A. Through the graft. Choose branches that are fertile, do not have many new branches, not too old or young. The branch is a branch of the mother tree which has a history of good fruit ranging from taste, its resistance to pest and disease attacks and so forth. After the graft branch has a root, then cut the base of the branch about 3 centimeters from the graft. If so, continue to plant the graft branch in polybag seedlings with the first cover of the transplant opened. Put the avocado seeds in the shade, do watering regularly, and do other treatments until grafted grafts have many roots and can be transferred to planting land. B. Through seed. If you are going to grow avocados from seeds, it is necessary to seed the seeds first. Old avocado fruit in the sides and then seeds taken, then seeds dried for about 3 hours and then put in a shady place. Seed seeds in polybag seedlings. Do the treatment on seeds to grow into seeds with a height of about 1 meter or ready to move on planting land. C. Through sambug pukuk or okulasi. If you want an avocado tree that seedlings from seeds can quickly bear fruit, can choose how to connect this bud. The way to grab shoots of avocado trees that have been fruiting as the top stem and avocado tree seedlings into rootstock. 2. Preparation of avocado farming land. The land that will be used for the cultivation of avocado is processed first. Clear the land from weeds or pest plants, trees to existing stones. After that, planting land by plowing or hoe in the hoe, then in the smooth hoe as much as 2 to 3 times. After planting land ready, then make a planting hole with the size of about 60 centimeters by 60 centimeters with a depth of about 60 to 80 centimeters. But if planting avocado seedlings of the graft, make a planting hole is relatively wide, and if from the seeds, then planting holes are made deeper. If the seeds to be planted many, then planting hole is made with the same distance, that is about 6 meters by 6 meters. If the planting hole has been made, Then fill the planting hole with manure up to 2 per 3 parts of the planting hole. Let the fertilizer permeate perfectly in the soil and let stand the planting hole for about 3 to 4 weeks. 3. Planting avocado butter seeds. After all is ready, immediately do the planting. Put the seedlings in the planting hole that has been prepared, but before it is inserted, polybag seedlings first opened with a careful heart. Do not let the roots broken and the media semilla destroyed. After the seeds are inserted in the planting hole, the pile is back with the hollow excavation ground. Next, do the watering. 4. Treatment of avocado butter plants. Perform daily watering on newly planted seeds as the seedlings require a lot of water. Watering is done every morning or evening, and if the rain does not need to be watered. In addition, weeding routinely on weeds or other disturbing plants that exist around the avocado plant. Usually because of watering, the soil will solidify. So do the sprinkling on the soil that is around the avocado plants. Perform this burial with care to root does not break. If branches that grow too tight or branches are dead, then do pruning. Once trimmed, the former crop is given fungicide so as not infected with fungi or disease. In order for the nutrients needed by the avocado seeds to be fulfilled, apply regular fertilization 4 times a year, with the amount of fertilizer given depending on the age of the plant. Fertilizer commonly used for fertilization is urea fertilizer, TSP, and KCl. Fertilization is done by inclusion in a hole made circular under the canopy of the plant with a depth of about 30 to 40 centimeters. 5. Avocado fruit butter. If planted through seeds, the avocado will begin to bear fruit after about 10 to 15 years of age. If grown with a vegetative system, will usually begin to bear fruit after aged about 5 to 8 years depending on the treatment provided. Usually the fruit will be able to be harvested after 6 to 7 months after the flowers bloom. So we are discussing about how to plant avocado butter with easy for beginners in order fast fruit. Hopefully the videos we present can be useful for all of us. Also watch our next video every day at 6 p.m. See you later, and thank you for visiting our channel.